Today we'll be making banana pancakes. You'll need flour, baking powder, salt, milk, egg, honey or sugar, butter, oil, syrup, and a banana. Dry ingredients: 1 1/4 cups flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt. Scramble 1 egg. Smash banana. You can use a potato smasher or a fork. Smashed banana, a little chunky still. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of sugar or honey, and then your 1/4 cup of milk. And then stir. Add your smashed banana and stir gently. In a non-stick skillet, just below medium heat, add a little bit of oil. Then you'll want to wipe up the oil out of the pan, spread it around, and take as much oil out as you can. Oil removed from pan. Banana pancake cooking. You'll see bubbles appear around the edges and pop. That means you're getting close to turning. Takes about 2 minutes. Pancake turned. It's going to still take about another 2 minutes. Golden brown on both sides. Banana pancake. Banana pancakes number 2. Banana pancakes ready to eat with butter and maple syrup and grape juice.